So far, we've worked with some of the default smart collections that Lightroom created for us. In this lecture, you'll learn to create your own custom smart collections. This means we'll apply our own rules to filtering images. To get started, let's create a new collection set. We'll call this My Studio Smart Collections. In your Collections panel, click the plus sign next to the heading and select Create Collection Set. Type in My Studio Smart Collections. We don't want to place this collection set inside any other collection set, so just uncheck this box here and click Create. So there's the new collection set. Now I've clicked on it so all our thumbnails disappeared. With our collection set created, we can now build our own custom smart collections. Let's start with creating a smart collection that will automatically place images with the keyword Miami into the collection folder. So to start, right-click on My Studio Smart Collections and go to Create Smart Collection. A dialog box will now appear. Start by entering the name of this new smart collection. Since it will contain images with the keyword Miami, let's call it Miami Photos. Next, we're asked if we want to place this folder inside our new collection set. In this case, we do, so make sure that this box is checked off. And also make sure that My Studio Smart Collections is selected from this menu. Now we need to specify if this smart collection should populate itself with images that match all of the rules we're about to create, any one of the rules, or none of them. For this example, select All. All rules have to be met. Now we need to create the rule or set of rules that will be used to filter our catalog and populate this smart collection. We can select the type of rule we'd like to apply by clicking the first heading here. You can see that there are several rules available for us to use. We can filter our catalog by pic flag, label color, file name, camera info, and many others. Since we want to filter the catalog by keywords, in this case Miami, select Metadata, and then from the submenu select Keywords. Now we need to specify how close of a keyword match we want. For example, if we only want to select images that contain only the keyword Miami, we would choose Contains All. Alternatively, we could use Contains, which will look for images that contain the keyword Miami, but can also contain other keywords as well. There's several other options here. For example, starts with and ends with, doesn't contain, and are empty and aren't empty. For our purpose, we'll select Contains. In the input field here, type in the word Miami. Make sure it's all lowercase. With this rule complete, we can add another rule if we wanted to by clicking this plus sign. But since we don't need another rule, I'm going to click the minus sign to remove the one I just added. To create this rule, go ahead and press the Create button. As soon as the rule is created, the smart collection is automatically populated with the matching images. So any images here that contain the keywords Miami were automatically added to this smart collection. To edit this rule, all we would need to do is right-click on the smart collection and select Edit Smart Collection. You'll see that same dialog box appears, and we can change any settings we'd like to configure. I'll go ahead and click Cancel because there's nothing that we want to change right now. Anytime we add new images to this catalog and assign the keyword Miami in the metadata, the image will automatically be placed in this smart collection. Keep in mind that if you remove the keyword Miami from any of these images, they will also be removed from the smart collection. So let's go ahead and click on the first image, and I'm going to remove the keyword Miami. And as soon as I do, it disappears from this smart collection because it no longer matches the criteria that we've set up. Now let's go back to all photographs, and we'll continue with this in the next lecture.